Hello guys, welcome to Micro Minds. I am Raja. Today we are going to see about demo class about the core Python, and in this demo class we will cover about why Python is used, and where the Python is used, and which companies used the Python, and also we will discuss about what are the topics there in the core Python. Okay, na? First, see here, we will discuss first of all what is Python. See here, Python is a general purpose high level programming language. It is nothing but general purpose is nothing but Python will be used by generally nowadays. Because there will be so many projects for the different companies, and the companies also using this Python only. So many companies are using this Python only. And coming to what is this high level programming language? The high level programming language is nothing but it is a language uh, which is easily understandable by the human beings, and which is nothing but it is in the simple format of English format, and that can be easily understand by the any person, like any student or any degree student or any other guys can learn this Python very easily. And coming to why Python is popular nowadays. See here, it is easy to learn and use also. Already I mentioned this point. It is very easy to learn than other languages like Java, C, C++. And how and the use of this Python also very usable and very easy also. It will be in a efficient manner. We can use this Python like compared to other languages, like other programming languages like Java, C, C++. It is very easy and useful. Okay, now then we also have the user for multi application development, which is nothing but multi application development is nothing but by using the Python we can develop different types of applications. For example, we can develop the web applications, and also we can develop the desktop applications, and we can also develop different types of applications. That is the use of the Python. And next one is nothing but intensive libraries and frameworks. It is nothing but libraries are coming to, we have three different types of libraries. Coming to like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib also there. By using this multi intensive libraries, the Python is very easier, and it is like a efficient also. Okay. Next one is platform independent. The platform independent is nothing but, suppose you want to write the code in Windows. Suppose you wrote the Python code in Windows. Suppose the same code can be executed in any other platforms. Like suppose you can the execute the same code in the Mac OS or Linux, anything, any platform. Now, but coming to compare to other languages, suppose you want to run or execute any Java code. Then if you execute the Java code in other platform, it is not workable. But coming to Python, it is workable. Next, coming to great for rapid prototyping. Rapid prototyping is nothing but it is very fast manner. That is the use of the Python. And next one is used by the big companies, and this Python is using so many different companies, big companies like YouTube, Google also using this Python. Okay, then we will discuss about where Python used. Where Python used means it will be used in the web application development, and also in testing development also it is using, and cloud technologies like Azure, AWS, GDP, GCP, and Salesforce also, and DevOps also we are using this Python. And nowadays the data science is very popular. In data science also we are using the Python. Okay, and coming to machine learning and deep learning, artificial intelligence, and data analytics. That in data analytics also, for analyzing the data, we use the pandas libraries here. Okay, now. And coming to data visualization, these are all the topics where Python will be used. And mobile testing, in testing there will be so many different types of testing. In Selenium testing also we will use the Python. And game development, for the development of some games also, we will use this Python as a backend language, and we will use the Java also we will use for some games. And but coming to most of the games, we will use the Python code, which is simplest and useful form. Also in scripting languages also, Python acts as a scripting language also. Okay, and then also IoT. IoT means nothing but from the students who are from the EC department can learn this Python easily by using the IoT also. Next, how to learn Python efficiently. Okay, now how we can learn the Python efficiently means in a neat and understandable manner. Means see here. First one is understand why you want to learn Python. First of all, you want to you know the why you have to learn the Python first of all. By knowing the Python, why we have to learn means you can learn easily and efficiently the Python. Okay, now second one is start with the basics. Basics are nothing but today our class is only about the core Python topic. That is all the basic topics which is covered in the core Python. First we have to learn that all the basics. Next we have to practice simple programs. In the basic topics only we have some simple programs addition of two numbers, or else we have it is a positive number or negative number, whether it is a even number or odd number. These some simple programs will be there. First of all, we have to learn that all simple programs. Then we have to learn the Python libraries. Coming to Python libraries are here we are discussing about the two libraries like NumPy and Pandas, which will be coming into the advanced Python. It is not covered in the core Python topic. And next coming to we will also you will also do some projects, or you if you work on the projects by using the Python, then you can learn efficiently in a clean manner also. And then also if you explore the advanced concepts multi-threading, and we also have different types of advanced topics like NumPy, Pandas, Django. These are all the advanced topics. If you after completion of the basics, you can learn these all advanced concepts. And final one is attend the live demo clearing sessions from MZM. And this MZM, our institute will give the weekends which have the weekend classes are assigning for the doubt clearing sessions. You can assign there also. Then you can learn efficiently the Python and explore advanced concept which is already covered. Okay, na? Next one is regular assessments and exams. If you practice more and more coding problems, and if you are practicing in the regular assessments or the exams, if you involve in the exams by typing the coding problems which includes the Python, then you can learn efficiently. Okay, then why to learn Python from Megominds? Why you have to learn the Python from the Megominds means industry experts, expert trainers are there. We will have the so many different types of trainers in our institute, which are more experienced, and then beginner friendly to advanced curriculum. We also have the curriculum which is from the scratch to the top, means advanced topics. We will start from the basic topics. What is Python, how to install Python, these all the topics we will cover, and up to the advanced level we will go. Okay, next live doubt clearing and practice sessions also there in our MGM. We will discuss the, suppose you have any doubts, we will assign one class, and there we have to ask the doubt any doubts also. Then project based learning also will be there. We will assign we will after completion of the full course we will give you one full project also by using the Python. And then regular assessments and exams will be there. Next coming to internship opportunities. If you want to do any internship also, we will provide for the internship. Okay. And then we also have the 100% placement assistant. We will give the assistance also to go. We will assign you to the company for the placement also. We will assistance you. Okay. Then also we have the certification and recognition also. After completion of full course, we will give you the certificate for the full stack Python, and we will if you want to learn the full stack Python, then we will give the certificate. But here in we are giving only the core Python topic only. That for that also we will give the certificate also, which is recognized one. Okay. Then after we will also resume preparation. We will give the you can add these certificates in your resume also. Okay. Na? Next, mock interviews. We will conduct the mock interviews in every 2 weeks or one time for 2 weeks. And next one is we will give the worksheets and CRT programs and soft skills also. Then what is the topics covered in the core Python? First one is introduction. We will give the introduction about what is Python, where we will use the Python, how to use the Python, which companies use this Python, and who developed this Python, when developed this Python. All these topics covered in the introduction. Then we will discuss about how to installation of the Python, how to install the Python in your laptop. By installing the Python only, you can type the code. Okay. And after we will discuss about what are the different IDEs we have and how to type the code of Python in different IDEs. Like we will discuss about the Visual Studio, and we also have the Jupyter also. But mostly we will use only Visual Studio. Then we also discuss about what are the tokens and variables, how to assign variables, and then also identifiers, and what are the different types of operators and conditional statements, which includes if else, elif statements. And coming to loops, we will cover for loop, while loop, and nested loop also. And then functions, we will cover the functions also, and modules and packages also. And the last one is multi-threading. Multi-threading, after completion of the multi-threading, we will cover DSC topics like what are the lists, what are the set, what is dictionary, what is tuple. These are all the different types of DSC topics. DSC topics are nothing but these are all the data types. Okay, na? And we will give the simple project, sample project after completion of the core Python also, like simple calci, and also we will discuss about the number guessing game. Okay, na? This is about the core Python topic we will cover, and I will show you which one we will cover and in which day. Here, first of all, coming to day one, we will discuss about the introduction to Python. In introduction to Python, we will discuss, already I told you, history, all the stuff we will cover. Day two, we will cover about what is the syntax and variables. And day three, we will cover how to input the statement, how to output, and also we will discuss about the input statement and output statement and typecasting also. Typecasting is nothing but to convert one data type to another data type. And day 4 we will cover about the operators, and day 5 conditional statements, and day 6 loops, and day 7 we will give you some practice programs also. And coming to day 8 we will discuss about what are the functions, and day 9 lambda and map filter reduce. These are all the different types of functions. Okay, lambda functions, there are also functions only. Okay, na? Then scope and recursion also. Recursion we will discuss about in day 9 recursion. And day 11 what are the strings, and day 12 coming to lists, day 13 tuples and sets, and day 14 what are the dictionaries, and day 15 we will give the mini project. This is the topic we will cover in the core Python. Okay, na? If you have any doubt, you can visit our we also cover the hoops topic also. Will be there, like coming to day 16 we will cover like file handling basics and exception handling in day 17, and also day 18 modules and packages, and day 19 coming to oops. In oops we have different types of concepts there: class and objects, inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstraction. And we also have the some methods also there: init method, and str method, len method. And we also in day 24 we will learn, we will discuss you like class and static methods also, and we will discuss about the oops practice also. This is about the core Python we are covering in our institute, and we also have the two mini projects, and we have the one main project also. After completion of the full course, we will cover you to do the one main project also. And we also conduct the mock interviews after completion of the course, and we will give the assistance also to go for the job assistance also, 100% the job assistance. And then this is about the core Python. We will cover all these topics in the core Python in our institute. If you have any doubts, you can call to our personal numbers, institute numbers also. Thank you.